Hello, how you doing? Back with another pizza. So with this series of pizzas, what I'm doing is I'm just building the pizza. If you want to know how to make the dough and the pizza sauce, the links are below in the text and they're going to pop up the videos at the end. So here we go. We've got chicken and sweet corn, bit of a classic. Let's get the dough together. Okay, so we've got our pizza in a tray. This is a 12-inch one, and if you follow my dough recipe, you'll be able to make 2 of these. So it's quite nice and thin. What we're going to do is get some of our tomato sauce on, and as always, I like 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. I always find really adequate. I don't like to sort of drown it, as I always say. Spread it out nice and thin. And this very simple sauce is also going to be available to you in the link below, and it will pop up at the end. Let's get some cheese on that. I'm going to go for some block type mozzarella cheese. You know, comes in a block, you slice it. You could use a grated one if you want. Then I'm going to go with some chicken. Now my chicken, I've cooked my chicken, there it is. So it's breast chicken, no skin, no bone. And I just fried it just with a little bit of celery salt and garlic powder in some oil. Now some people could, you know, put some barbecue sauce on this. Some people like that on there. For me, no. I'm just going to keep it pretty straight. I am going to add some corn over there. I'm going to go with a little bit of Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, finely grated. But think about other things you can put on here. Some onion, some olives, some mushrooms, some garlic. And then we're going to go a little bit dried oregano. And that's going to go in the oven. So your oven should be on full blast now. Get it as hot as you can. That's going to go in, and then I'll see you when it comes out. It's going to be about 6 minutes for me. Okay, and there you go. 6 minutes in my oven, full blast. Beautiful. Really like that one. Bit of a classic, nice and simple. So about now, the videos for the dough will be popping up and the sauce. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.